Banana cartoon. Daddy. Daddy, Daddy, our life garden, always around us, the man with a plan, planning our future, securing our lives, and planning the best vacation for us all around. 7 days of the week.
There are 7 days in a week.
La 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 la.
The week starts with the day Monday.
La 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 la.
First day's Monday, second day's Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday are the start of the week. There are 7 days in a week.
La 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 la.
Third day is a Wednesday.
La 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 la.
And right after is Thursday.
La 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 la.
Third day's Wednesday, fourth day's Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday are the middle of the week. And then finally comes Friday.
La 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 la.
There are 7 days in a week.
La 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 la.
The weekend starts with a Saturday.
La 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 la.
A Saturday, a Sunday, a weekend starting. We can go anywhere. There are 7 days in a week.
La 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 la. Baby shark.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, 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 it's the end.
Six little ducks.
Six little ducks that I once knew. Fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack.
Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. There it sat, lying flat on the hat. Kitty cat. Roll around on the ground. Purring sound. Go round and round. Jumping high. Catch a fly. Try and try. Wave goodbye. There's a mouse in the house. Under the blouse. A little mouse. Time to play. Won't you stay? Don't run away. Come and play. Play with me. Go wild and free. I'll close my eyes and count to 3. Where'd you go? Such high and low. I think I know. Behind the bow, the sunset away. And so we say, we'll play again another day. Kitty cat on the mat. Pat and pat our little cat. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a turkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there. Here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a turtle, E-I-E-I-O. With a nerp nerp here and a nerp nerp there. Here a nerp, there a nerp, everywhere a nerp nerp. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Three little kittens. The 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 then we shall have no pie. The 3 little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie. Purr, 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 then we shall have some pie. The and soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled. What? Soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens. Then they began to sigh. Meow, 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 meow. Then they began to sigh. The three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have washed. What? Washed your mittens, such good little kittens. I smell a wolf close by.